Ninth class English Beehive.
First lesson, the fun they had.
రైటింగ్ రాసుకోండమ్మా. ఆన్సర్ రాద్దాం. ఆన్సర్ హౌస్ నెంబర్ 42-2/5 అమరావతి రోడ్, గుంటూరు 3, 12 December 20. ది మేనేజర్ మైండ్ ఫేమ్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ 1632 అసఫ్ ఆలీ రోడ్, న్యూ ఢిల్లీ. సార్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ఐజాక్ ఆసిమోవ్స్ రివైజ్డ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ షార్ట్ స్టోరీస్. I came to know that Isaac Asimov's revised volume of short stories have been recently released. This is to place an order for one set of those books. The details of the required books have been given below. Name of the book: Revised Volume of Short Stories. Author Isaac Asimov. Quantity 1 set. Though the books are easily available in the market, I prefer buying the books from your prestigious publication house. Kindly send me the parcel by value payable post VPP at the earliest. I shall be highly thankful if you kindly give me appropriate discount. Looking forward to receiving the parcel by next week. Yours sincerely, Sakshita. Speaking. Answer రాసుకోండి. Answer for reference. In favor of the statement, good morning all. I would like to take privilege to express my views on school of the future will have no books and no teacher. I would like to express my views in favor of the motion. I strongly believe that everywhere computers will take over. Similarly, education will also be taken over by computers. The future world of education is going to be dominated by computers and artificial intelligence. Owing to their versatility, computers have become unavoidable in every sector in the modern world. Obviously, the field of education has also been influenced positively by the use of computers. Computers can make teaching more convenient, easier, simpler, colorful, fun-filled, and more effective. Interactive whiteboards and smart boards will be available in their classrooms. They will save a lot of time. They can replace the traditional blackboard. There will be no need of writing notebooks, wasting time and money. The learning data can be stored and accessed by anyone when he by she wants it. Sharing of knowledge is possible. Aspiring learners can use internet to gather educational information required by them there and then. The use of computers in education is a modern renaissance in learning. We can imagine the revolutionary changes in the process of teaching and learning at present. The computers are operated by teachers. However, in future the computers will become so sophisticated that they won't require teachers. In our Andhra Pradesh, the government has already provided the 8th class students with Samsung tabs loaded with Byju's content. It will be continued in the coming years. Students are able to use them for learning. They are able to access the content with the help of an app. In some schools, virtual classrooms are also available in Andhra Pradesh. In a virtual classroom, a student participates and interacts with the teacher like a real classroom. In future, the learning and teaching programs will be so advanced that learners won't require any help of a human teacher. The teaching will be fully digitalized and modified and adapted according to the needs and levels of the students. There are the ideas that make me believe that the school of the future will have no books and no teacher. Thank you, one and all. Answer for reference. Against the statement, good morning, all of you. I am glad to use this opportunity to express my views on school of the future will have no books and no teacher. I would like to speak against the motion. I strongly feel as long as there is education, there will be human teachers and books. Even though artificial intelligence is available, teachers will always remain indispensable. I say computers can never make the lesson plans themselves. They can only process the man-made data. They don't have any creativity that a dedicated teacher has. They cannot express feelings or emotions. Computers cannot write new books on any subject. They always depend on human beings. I strongly differ from opponents who think school of future won't have books and teachers. I finish my speech by saying that as long as there will be schools, there will be teachers and books. Thank you, one and all.